Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, I will be teaching you on how to change your YouTube channel name, and I will show you how easy it is. Let's get started. So okay guys, we're here on my laptop. Let's go to our YouTube channel. So ito yung YouTube channel ko, SheBeauty88. Yan. First step is go to YouTube Studio. Click mo ang YouTube Studio. After that, go to settings. So dito sa left side, hanapin mo yung settings. So, as you can see, ito yung settings dito. After sa settings, you will go to channel. Click the channel. And then, click the basic info. Click the Google account over here. So, let's click that. It will open a new page. And then, over there, as you can see, that's my name. So, I'm not gonna be changing my name, guys. So, I'm just showing you kung paano nyo siya i-change. In order to do like the one word, so in the first name, isulat mo lahat yung one word na YouTube channel na gusto mo. And the last name, you don't need to fill this up. All you have to do is you just put dot or period. Like that. That's how I did mine before. That's it. So, after that, kapag na-change mo na siya, then you can save it. Now, let's go to the phone version. So, first is, punta ka sa YouTube Studio. On the top right, click mo lang siya yung picture mo. Merong lalabas na account. So, meron diyang nakasulat na yung email address mo at manage your Google account. So, click mo ang manage Google account. Merong lalabas na update photo. We're gonna click the personal info and privacy. Click natin ang SheBeauty, yung name natin. And after that, you can change your YouTube channel name. See? That's how you change it. And then click done and then save. That's super easy, guys. Super simple. I hope nakatulong ang aking tutorial sa inyo, guys. Comment down below kung meron kayong mga tanong. Let me know. And I'll see you guys next time on my next one. Bye, guys!